Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my girl Britney is back. I haven't seen her in about 8 or 9 months, and we're gonna do a baby light on her and refresh her for the summer. If you want to see some tips and tricks in this session in general, then keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my girl Britney's back. She took about an 8-month break away from me. She won extensions from a giveaway from somebody on Instagram. So her color has been the same. She hasn't had it touched except one time, just a couple of foils. So now today she's back after an 8-month hiatus from me, and we're gonna brighten her right on up. So what I'm doing is going in and doing a half baby light back to back to back as normal, true Brett Ryan fashion. And we're literally going to feather down over those ends. She's like a level 9, a little too brassy for my liking. So you guys already know, if you want to be white blonde, you got to overlap. She takes care of her hair, so I know she'll be okay. So we're going to run down and feather whatever's left on the brush down through those already pre-lightened ends. And at the very, very end, if it is light enough, I do kick it out of the foil, you'll see. Or even if I run over it, I'll still pull it out of the foil and comb through it, so it does make it so it doesn't get too over-processed. Alright guys, so now I'm using my Joico Blonde Life with 20 volume, my go-to, with a 16th ounce of Olaplex, the holy grail. Olaplex, I can't live without it. I do want to do a review video on K18, and you know, the only two I've ever really dabbled in is Olaplex and Fiber Fix by Finola. Maybe I'll do a video where I compare all three with, you know, the same client, or maybe 3 different clients in one day, we'll see. But I am making my way up on a slight diagonal. We want to pack these in, but by going on a slight diagonal, it will still allow a little bit of dimension to come through to give her a nice grow out. I don't want her to look too harsh when it comes in, if that makes sense. She is a natural level 7, so I will shadow her. We always like to do a nice shadowed root. She likes to come every, you know, not all the time, but every 4 or 6 months, whatever, something like that. And I like to be able to make a color for her where she's able to get that long and still feel like it looks beautiful even months later as it grows out. I am going back and forth bricklaying on the front section. You see I go up on a slight diagonal, but when I go around the money piece area, I will go from that section. Then I piggyback right back onto the slight diagonal on top of those foils. And that's how I used to do it all the time, and that's how I love doing it. I do have another go-to placement I've done many times, but I'll do a video dedicated to that as well. And now I'm going to speed the video up a little bit because you guys seen me foil a million times. And I know a lot of you guys say, I wish the videos were longer. And I think I'm going to start making them longer if most of you do want to see a lot longer video and more foiling. Let me know down below if you do like the foiling, because I know I can watch foiling all day long.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect.
Alright guys, so now she processed and it's time for us to go to the toning portion. I'm going to mix up Goldwell Colorance. For the global toner, it will be 10V10P. And for her root shadow, it will be 7N, 7NA. These are my favorite colors from Goldwell Colorance. You guys know I always stick with the 7s and the 10s. Those are my favorite levels with blondes or any color. So I'm going to apply these like I always do at the bowl. So I'm going to sit her up. I'm going to split her down from her part. I love doing it that way. And then I'm going to put Olaplex 2 on her mids and ends. Not touch the root with that Olaplex. We want that shadow to suck up. I will shadow her everywhere around the head that we did the highlights on. And I leave that front hairline out until the last 2 minutes of processing time. I apply it, comb everything back together in the bowl, and then rinse that out with cold water. Then I'll go forth and apply the 10V10P globally and give a head massage as it processes in the bowl. I never leave the root shadow on anymore unless it's a smudge and it's a longer root and it's more defined and we want it to have more time processing, so then it looks more prominent. So when I'm doing a shadow or tap, I always rinse out the root first. I get that question a lot. So we're going to continue to tap and shadow her, brush her back, tone her, and then I'll show you guys the final results. Keep watching.
For a little moment, just hold me closer. I'll be okay till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer.
All right, guys, there you have it. How beautiful is this blonde? You guys, we're obsessed. No damage. I love always telling people you gotta overlap sometimes to get lighter. She wanted to be less golden, more white, and we got her there, and there's minimal damage. There are so many ways to be able to overlap safely. I go over this all the time, but I think I'm gonna do a real in-depth, detailed video, a long one. Also, let me know down below in the comment section videos you wanna see. I wanna be here more often for you guys. Remember, I'm moving into the new salon suite in the next couple weeks. I will be showing videos on that transformation happening as well. And when I get into a new place, I'm going to be re-energized and I'm going to be re-inspired, and I want to give out a lot of content to you guys. So let me know. Don't be shy. Throw videos out down in the comment section below and let me know what you want to see. And also let me know, my loyals out there that watch every video and comment. I see you guys and I love you so much. Let me know, do you prefer shorter videos, medium length, or longer? Don't hesitate. Even give me a time amount, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want to see, because I want to put out videos and the time amount that you guys want. I don't know what you guys want to see. Some people say longer all the time. Some say shorter. Get right to the point. So just let me know. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this blonde as much as we did. And I hope you learned something here today. I will see you in many more videos coming over the next couple weeks real soon. I love you guys so much. As always, so long for now, guys.